Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to PsySigns, where we decode behavior and help you build emotional clarity. And today, we're diving into cute little ways to make her blush. Gentlemen, your video is finally here. Previously, we made a video on cute little ways to make him blush. The girls were happy, but you guys stormed the comments asking for your video. So here it is. A soft, fun, slightly dangerous guide on cute little ways to make her blush. Whether she's your girlfriend, your crush, your seatmate in class, the girl you text at 1 a.m., or the one who pretends she doesn't like you but smiles at everything you say. Just a warning though, girls blush way easier than guys realize, but only when you do the right things. And today, I'm giving you the insider list. 7 ways plus a bonus that girls wish guys used more. Let's get into it. 1. Compliments, but the specific kind. Generic compliments don't always land, but specific ones? Girls turn into soft little tomatoes. Examples. You looked really cute when you were laughing earlier. I like how excited you get when you talk about things. You have this calm vibe that I really like. That hairstyle suits you. Specific equals you were paying attention. And attention equals instant blush. Girls don't want compliments from everybody. They want it from someone they actually like. And the beautiful part? It doesn't have to be dramatic. Even small things like, you smell really nice today. Or even, that color looks perfect on you. That alone, she'll think about it for the entire day. And she might even pretend she didn't hear you. But trust me, she felt it. 2. Do that calm, low-voice moment out of nowhere. Girls don't talk about this enough, but one of the fastest ways to make a girl blush is simple. Lower your voice just a little and say something intentional. Not creepy, not whispering in her soul, just lower. For example, hey, come here for a sec. Or even, I like how you said that. That shift, that calm, controlled tone, instant red cheeks. And here's the thing, the timing makes it even stronger. If you do it when she's distracted, focused, or being playful, her brain short-circuits a little like, why did he sound like that? What was that tone? Here is why it works. A lower voice automatically signals confidence without you trying. And the funniest part? Girls act like they didn't hear it, but on the inside they're holding onto the table like, let me just pretend this didn't affect me. Use sparingly, gentlemen, because it's powerful. You're basically pressing her blush button. 3. Say her name at the right moment. Guys underestimate the power of a girl's name. When you say her name like, hey Sophia, normal, but when you say it while making a point, or teasing her, or checking if she's okay, that's when girls melt. Here are some examples. Sophia, look at me. Ava, you're really not going to smile today? Hannah, come on, you know you like this. It instantly becomes personal. Why does it work? Because a girl's name from a guy she likes feels warm, direct, intimate. And sometimes it's not even what you say, it's how you say it. Like when you say her name slowly, or with a little teasing smile. Or you drag it slightly because she's pretending not to listen. Yeah, that's when she looks down and blushes. A girl can get compliments all day, but when a guy she actually likes says her name, that one hits different. 4. Playful confidence, not showing off, just secure. Girls blush hard when a guy does something with natural confidence. Not bragging, not showing off, just energy that says, I'm comfortable and I know who I am. For example, fixing your shirt sleeve while talking, leaning back, slightly when listening, being calm when everyone else is chaotic, making a decision like, let's go this way, speaking slowly instead of rushing, smiling like you know you're charming, but you're not forcing it. This is attractive because girls love when guys are confident without being loud about it. It's that quiet confidence that feels safe, mature, and grounded. It gives her that little internal kick like, I didn't expect that. Why is this attractive? And here's something guys don't know. If she already likes you even a tiny bit, any small confident gesture multiplies the attractiveness immediately. Bonus blush if you look her in the eyes for a second after doing it. 5. The subtle protective gesture. Nothing huge, nothing dramatic, just tiny, natural moments like placing your hand lightly on her back in a crowd, moving her to the inside of the sidewalk, holding the door without making it a big deal, adjusting something for her, telling her, "Text me when you get home," noticing when she's uncomfortable and stepping closer. It's those unspoken things. This is where school guys, single guys, and relationship guys win. Because girls blush at these small signals of, "Hey, I got you. I'm aware of you. You're safe around me." It's not domination, it's protection plus presence. And when a girl feels safe around you, her whole feminine energy softens. Her eyes soften. Her smile appears. Her cheeks warm up. When a guy makes a girl feel safe without being controlling, that's when she blushes and lets her guard fall naturally. 6. When you tease her and then get soft for 2 seconds. This one is dangerous. Use with caution. Girls love playful teasing. Not disrespect, not insults. Just light, flirty teasing. Then, right when she's rolling her eyes or pretending to be mad, you switch. Just for 2 seconds. "Come on, I'm kidding. You know I like you. Relax, I'm just messing with you." That little switch, that softness, that's when she blushes and gets butterflies. Because teasing makes things fun, but the soft moment makes things intimate. It's the perfect balance, the push and pull girls love. And those 2 seconds, she will replay them in her head the entire day. This is the kind of thing that makes girls go, "So, he can be funny and gentle? I didn't expect that." 7. When you choose her in small public ways. This one hits the deepest. Girls blush when guys show, even subtly, "I choose you." Examples: saving her a seat, calling her over to stand near you, introducing her to your friends, or waiting for her after class, standing next to her in group settings, sending her something that reminded you of her, choosing to talk to her even when other girls are around, picking her side in jokes, paying attention to her reactions. It's not about attention. It's about showing her how much she matters. It tells her, "You matter to me. I notice you. I'm comfortable being seen with you." Girls blush differently when they feel chosen, not by the world, but by one guy who makes them feel special quietly. Bonus: the unexpected compliment while she's distracted. This is a universal weakness for girls. Do it when she's tying her hair, writing something, doing homework, scrolling, looking away, focused on something else, fixing something in her hand. Then say something calm, soft, and direct. "You're really pretty, you know that?" Or, "I like you a little too much." Or even, "You look cute right now." She won't blush instantly. She'll pause, freeze a little, turn her head away, and smile without meaning to. She heard you, and she felt all of it. Use responsibly. You're playing with her heart on this one. And there you have it. Cute, simple, effortless things that make girls blush, whether you're dating her, sitting beside her in school, or crushing from a distance. Gentlemen, to actually make her blush, you first need to talk to her and create at least a little connection between you two. So go out there and actually talk to her. Challenge yourselves, because let's be honest, the ladies can use their feminine charm and actually create a scenario to talk to their crush or make them blush. But for you gentlemen, the only approach is the direct approach, but don't force it so you don't make her uncomfortable. Girls blush way easier than you think, but only when it's genuine, respectful, and warm. Don't forget to subscribe, because here at PsySigns, we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. And I'll see you guys in the next one.